Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already duplicated the sheet and picked the target column, so start now by testing on a small range. First, use clean to strip non-printables and trim to remove extra spaces. Enter equals trim, clean A2, and copy down. Once done, inspect results for punctuation or accented characters that remain. If you need to remove visible symbols like hash, @ or euros, switch to substitute next. Make sure to work on a copy, so you can compare before replacing original data. Now continue by choosing formulas or Power Query based on scale. For a few known symbols, chain substitute functions and wrap with trim, clean. For broad cleanup, load the table to Power Query, use transform replace values or text. Remove with a pattern, then close and load. If accented letters remain, use Unicode mappings or a lookup table to normalize to plain ASCII. Create a small 2-column map and apply via substitute or merge in Power Query. This handles complex middle steps efficiently. Complete the task by selecting cleaned columns, copying and paste special values to lock results. Then delete the working copy only after verifying. Once done, validate by filtering for non-alphanumeric characters or using COUNTIF with wildcards to catch leftovers. Make sure to scan for hidden characters using LEN and code on suspect cells. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup copy and isolate the problematic cell with char/code checks. That single troubleshooting tip will save time and prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.